Namaskar. It's a fact that stress, unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy food habit, all these things can take a toll on your health. This includes the health of your sexual organs too. Practicing yoga daily is good, not just for physical fitness, but also for sexual health. Today I am going to talk to you about certain asanas that particularly help to keep your sexual organ and reproductive system in good health. Let's begin. First is Paryankasana. So Paryankasana is an asana where you have to lie down on your back, keep your legs, hands straight. Now hold your ankle and fold it from the knee. Let the ankle go towards your hip region and see that your sole part practically touches the hip region. Do the same with your left leg and stay in that position where your whole spine should be flat, touching the floor. This gives a beautiful pull on your thighs. Paryankasana helps release tension in your pelvic region, promoting better blood flow and vitality in your sexual organs. The second asana could be Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana could be done in sitting as well as in lying down position. Try and see that you stretch your legs straight. Hold the ankles and bring them closer to your bottom. See that your both knees are on the side and try to press them down to touch the ground. Bhadrasana stretches your groin area and energizes your pelvic organs. It will also help to release any tension that you may be storing in your hip and in your pelvis. Third asana would be Setu Bandhasana. In Setu Bandhasana, you have to lie down on your back. Now fold your knees and hold the ankles to bring them towards your hips. Your knees should be pointing at the ceiling. The distance between both the feet should be around 1 foot. Both hands on the side straight, palm facing downwards. And now slowly try to lift your bottom part upwards, as up as you can. Stay in that position for some time and then bring your back down again. This is a powerful posture to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. It would help to energize your reproductive organs. It also helps to ease your stress and fatigue. Next asana could be shoulder stand or Sarvangasana. Lie supine on your mat, feet together, hands resting beside the body. First inhale fully. Exhaling, draw the feet towards your hips. Fold the legs against thighs. Gently raise your legs and then the lower part of your body above. With the pull of your abdominal muscles and a good pressure kept on the hands to raise the body upwards. This should be supported by your hands. Balance your body's entire weight on your palms and elbows, the neck and the back of your head. Try to raise yourself as up as possible. Maintain this posture for some time. It could be from 1 minute to 2 minutes. Release both the hands back to the ground and slowly slide down. Come back to the normal position. Without giving any jerk, slowly bring your legs down. After this, you should rest for a few minutes. This inversion pose stimulates your thyroid and pituitary gland. This helps increasing blood flow to these regions. It balances your hormones and nourishes your sexual organs. The most wonderful thing about this asana is that it gives you a sense of rejuvenation. And the final asana could be Siddhasana, a meditative pose. In Siddhasana, sit on the mat, stretch your both legs in front. Bend your right leg so that the sole of your foot is against the inner left thigh. Press your right leg heel against the perineum. Bend your left leg above that. Push your left foot toe. Adjust it in a way that you could sit it comfortably. Try to expand this seat using your hand to feel firm. Place your left ankle across the right ankle, with your ankle bones touching and the heel above the other, so that the genital should lie between the space of two heels. Place your hands on your knee with Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes, relax your body. You can do this for 2 to 5 minutes. This pose is a good meditative pose that involves crossing of your legs with the heel of one leg pressing against your perineum. This is a narrow area between your anus and the genital. This asana tremendously improves your concentration. It improves your sexual health by reducing stress and establishing deeper connection with oneself. As we end our practice today, remember that true sexual wellness is more than just a physical aspect. Here I would like to give you some holistic tips. Nourishing yourself well and include walnut in your diet for omega-3 fatty acid, which supports reproductive health. Mix a teaspoon of ashwagandha in a glass of warm milk before bedtime to reduce stress and improve your sexual health. Practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayama to balance your energy channel and enhance relaxation and vitality in all systems of your body. Reconnect with nature by taking a regular walk in open space. This will improve your mood and make you feel more energetic. Finally, if you have any difficulty in your life, surrender them to a higher power. By doing all this, you will definitely have a fulfilling life. Namaskar.